The first theme or the context is I want to address to a person and say to him that he or she is not young anymore. The basic way of saying is don't act too young. You are not young anymore. The same in advanced would be don't act too young. You are no spring chicken. This phrase, that is the idiom, no spring chicken, means to describe someone who is no more young. The other words or phrases that can be used in place of no spring chicken are you are aging, you are retiring, you are getting gray, and you are long in tooth. This is another idiom, long in tooth. Now, this specifies a horse teeth that grows with age. Its front teeth is always used to recognize or identify the age, the advancement in the age. So we can use this phrase also, you are long in tooth, you're getting long in tooth. The next situation, theme, or the context is something that is very old and in very poor and bad, worn condition. The basic way of saying is, I don't know why you don't throw that old torn sofa. The same in advanced would be, I don't know why you don't get rid of that decrepit old sofa. The other words that could replace decrepit are dilapidated, rickety, ramshackle. Ramshackle is often used for buildings, ramshackled building, and then derelict, in ruins. If it is for a person, then we use infirm, frail, feeble, or incapacitated, etc. The next is someone with a big attitude. The basic way of saying would be the person acts like better than other people. Why do you act so much better than other people? Why do you show so much of ego or attitude? The same in advanced form would be he is so haughty. He is so blatantly proud. He is so vain. The other words in place of haughty, vain, or proud would be snobbish, supercilious, lofty, imperious. He is fancy pants. Fancy pants also refers to a person with attitude. Cocksure means full of overconfidence or over smartness. Now, lofty has got multiple meanings. The first is lofty means something very tall, lofty mountain. Lofty person means that person who has got a big attitude, egoistic. Now, it has also got a positive, optimistic meaning. That means lofty ideas means it is moral ideas too.